Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix mobile hotspot not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. After restarting, swipe up, and after restarting, go back to home screen. You will see enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on connection and sharing, and you will see first option is personal hotspot. Click on personal hotspot and turn on hotspot. After turn on personal hotspot, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is worked properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset. Enter phone, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for